Good afternoon, everybody. Hey, Freedom Friday family. Happy Freedom Friday. I'm so thrilled you're here today because we are diving into something that's practical, powerful, and life-changing if you truly apply it. We are talking about your first 359 Rand. How fast can you turn that into recurring income? Imagine this. You wake up one morning and realize your bills are covered. Not because you worked extra hours, but because your system kept paying you while you sleep. That's not a dream. That's the power of recurring income. Your first 359 Rand can be the seed that grows into the freedom to work because you want to, not because you have to. Now, before we get into the magic, I've got a little gift for you. You've been dreaming about breaking free from your job, building something that gives you time, peace, and financial control. I've created a free guide just for you. Escape the 9-to-5 trap, my online business blueprint. This guide will walk you through the same steps I used to start building income streams that support my life, not drain it. So grab that freebie. The link is right here in the comments or the description. Drop an emoji in the chat if you're ready to create your own blueprint for freedom. For those meeting me for the first time, my name is Lynette Barnors. I'm from Vanderbijlpark, and I help entrepreneurs, business owners, professionals, and everyday South Africans build recurring income without selling a thing, so they can live debt-free, stress-free, and live life on their own terms. Now, just to make sure, I'm not a financial advisor. What I share here today is based purely on my personal experience. I use the DealPoint platform, a regulated financial services, South African financial services provider. The FSP number is 50318. I don't work for DealPoint or any other company. I'm an independent wealth engineer, building my own asset through the DealPoint system. That means I'm creating an income stream that belongs to me, not an employer. DealPoint simply provides the regulated financial platform and tools that make it possible for ordinary South Africans like us to build long-term recurring income without taking any risk at all, buying stock or getting into debt. Now, welcome to my good friends joining me online, Belinda and Tibogang and Peter and all those. I hope you enjoy the day with me. But let's get back. Here's what makes DealPoint truly different. It's a licensed insurance company, but unlike traditional ones that pay huge amounts to brokers, field teams, agents, call centers, DealPoint decided to reward their own clients instead. It's a brilliant concept and very much needed in our current economic circumstances. So instead of paying middlemen, they pay us, the members, for simply sharing the information about this unique system. That's word of mouth marketing. And let's be honest, it's the oldest and most trusted form of advertising there is. When I began, I chose a tax-free investment product as my foundation. But when I started 10 years ago, my first contribution was 279 Rand. Today it's 359 Rand. And it's still one of the smartest financial decisions I've ever made. Because that small amount started my journey to real recurring income. Why? Because it gave me a way to save smarter, to earn better, and to protect what matters most, my family and my future. And here's something I love about this system. It's flexible. You can start saving with as little as 100 Rand a month. And over 10 years, that can add up to 12,000 Rand or more if you add the dividends. Or while your money is working for you. Now think about it for a second. You are saving, you are protecting yourself, and at the same time, you've got the freedom and the time to build your own business by simply sharing the information. It's crazy, but it's working. But let's be honest, if you found something that helps you save money, earn an extra income, and gives you peace of mind, would you tell your friends about it? Of course you would. We do it all the time. When you get a bargain, you tell everybody about it. You share it with your family, friends, colleagues, and everyone who wants to listen. That's word of mouth advertising, and it is the most powerful form of marketing there is. You will surely rather believe a trusted friend than a multi-million rand advertising campaign, not so? Dewpoint decided instead of paying brokers, call centers or field agents, they would reward the very people who actually use and believe the system, us. That's why I always say, this is job creation with zero risk. You're not employed, you are empowered. You are building your own asset while saving smarter and helping others to do the same. And just to stay fully transparent, everything I'm sharing is based on my own experience as an independent wealth engineer using the Dewpoint platform, which operates under FSP number 50318. You know, Brendan, the CEO of Dewpoint, always says something that really stuck with me. He says that most people see insurance as a grudge payment. You know that feeling, right? You pay it every month, hoping you'll never need it. It almost feels like money out of the window. But here's the truth. It shouldn't be that way. My tax-free investment with added cover has completely changed how I see things. Instead of being just another debit order, it actually is making me money and saving me money at the same time. And I absolutely love it. When I started, I didn't have money. In fact, I was desperately broke, freshly retrenched and unemployed. But I realized something powerful. I could use the system to share information with others, and in doing so, start earning a monthly income. That income first covered the cost of my own product. My husband said to me, we could not afford this product. And I said to him, well, I'll get my own customers on board. And I did. And then it began to make me money while helping me save money at the same time. And here's the best part. Even if you don't share the information with a single person, you still benefit. Your tax-free investment keeps growing month after month, and you still enjoy 3 daily free services that make life easier. And then there are those real-world protections that I call sleep better at night benefits, accidental death cover, medical and legal access, home and roadside assistance, all built into one simple, powerful plan. Of course, all the benefits are subject to Dewpoint's terms and conditions. But what really makes this special for me is how it protects you from shock loss, those unexpected financial hits that can wipe out your savings or throw your life off track. Instead of being caught off guard by emergencies, the plan gives you a financial cushion. You're not left scrambling or stressed. You're covered, protected, and still growing your wealth. And here's something I love about my tax-free investment. It's flexible and designed to support you through life's ups and downs. For me, that means peace of mind. I know I'm saving consistently, building something that grows, and creating financial breathing room, even when times are tough. So it's not just about insurance, it's about empowerment. It's about rewarding you for being financially responsible, helping you save smarter, earn better, and protect what matters most. And for me, that's real financial freedom. Peace of mind with profit attached. So yes, I'm saving money and I am making money at the same time. It's about creating a lifestyle of financial freedom and protection. But it wasn't always like this. When I started, I was skeptical, just like most people. I remember sitting there thinking, can something this small really make a difference? Can this really work? And honestly, I'd seen so many companies promise the world and deliver nothing. So, of course, I wondered, is Dew Point any different? And my answer is yes, they are totally different. They have delivered on every single promise they made. They spoke about long-term income, bonuses, even rewards like a 50,000 cash bonus at rank 10, a car at rank 11. And I thought, that sounds amazing, but is it real? Still, something inside me said, what if it is? So I decided to take a leap of faith. At that stage, I had already lost my job. I was retrenched, broke, and desperate for something to believe in. I figured I've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Then came the moment I'll never forget. The first time I saw the small deposit come into my bank account. My heart jumped. For my first 30 days, I earned 10 times my initial contribution. That's when it hit me. Dew Point isn't here to play games. They are serious about helping ordinary South Africans create real recurring income, and I was determined to be one of them. For me, it wasn't even about the amount. It was about the proof that I could create income without needing someone else's permission. Proof that I could build something that belonged to me. That was the day I stopped waiting for opportunity and started building it. And that's why I'm so passionate about helping others to do the same, starting with just 359 Rand a month. Your first 359 Rand, how fast can you turn it into recurring income? I did mine in my first month. Let's get honest for a moment. How many times have we said, oh, it's only 359 Rand, and spent it without thinking? Maybe it's a dinner out. Maybe it's Netflix, snacks, data, or that extra coffee every day. We all eat. I've done it too. 359 Rand is less than your daily coffee habit, but it can start building your financial freedom. But here's what shifted for me. I start asking myself, what if I let that same 359 Rand work for me instead of disappear? And that's where this gets exciting. The 359 monthly contribution does three things in my experience. It grows your savings through your tax-free investment, which is building quietly in the background, even if you do nothing. It protects you and your family because that contribution gives you cover and access to real world-class assistance when life happens, even if you do nothing. And it unlocks a system that pays you for sharing if you do something, because Dew Point rewards consistency and engagement. It's not about selling products. It's about building an asset. Over time, that small amount becomes the foundation of recurring income. And recurring income is the kind that comes in every month, whether you work that month or not. Every week, I see ordinary South Africans doing extraordinary things. Teachers, nurses, single parents, small business owners, and professionals, people of all walks of life, turning a small monthly product payment into real, reliable income streams. And of course, you're completely free to choose whichever product fits your best. You don't have to invest, but that was my choice. If saving and earning at the same time isn't your thing, that's okay. There are other great options too. That's job creation in motion, not from big corporations, but from empowered individuals who are rewriting their own stories. Let me know in the comments, if your salary stopped today, how long could you sustain your lifestyle? A week? A month? 3 months? That's the question that woke me up, because true freedom isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much continues when you stop earning. And the beautiful thing, with 359 Rand, you are not just buying a policy, you are starting a business system that rewards you for being consistent and connected. If you love the idea of your debit order eventually paying you back, drop a money emoji in the chat. Okay, Freedom Friday family, let's pause for a moment, because I've got 2 amazing things for you right now. First, if you haven't yet downloaded your free guide, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my online business blueprint, then do it. It's my personal system to start building digital and asset-based income, and it's completely free today. Second, drumroll, ta-da-da-da, Dew Point launched the lucky number 7 incentive. Every week, between now and the 4th of January, someone will walk away with 7,000 Rand cash in their pockets. How? Simple. Stay active, stay consistent, and keep sharing. Imagine 7,000 hitting your account just for participating in a system that already built your financial future. This Tuesday, Francina, it was her birthday, and she won the 7,000 Rand. Well done, Francina. It's absolutely amazing. That is the power of momentum. So make sure you're in it. But let's get real for a second. Most people say, I'll start saving or investing when I earn more. Have you heard that before? But the truth is, we never earn enough. Expenses arise, life happens, and we end up waiting forever. What if the key to freedom wasn't earning more first, but starting where you are? That's what I did. My first 279 Rand wasn't a lot, but it represented a decision to stop living from month to month, a decision to start building instead of spending. And the beauty of the system like Dew Point is that it lets ordinary people become extraordinary achievers. There's lots of examples of people doing that. And they only did it by simply being consistent. I always say, freedom isn't built by luck. It's built by small, smart decisions repeated over time. And that's exactly what this 359 Rand represents. The seed of your future freedom. All right, my freedom family, let's bring this home. Today we unpacked how your first 359 Rand can become the starting point for recurring income. You don't need special skills, a degree, or a sales background. You just need the right system and the right mindset and the decision to start. I think the decision to start is the most important one. You see, most people think money comes only from hard work, trading hours for pay. But wealthy think differently. They don't just work for money, they make the money work for them. And that's exactly what happens when you redirect 359 Rand from consumption to contribution. You are shifting from a spender to a builder. So here's what I wanted you to do next. Download my free guide, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my online business blueprint. It will walk you through the mindset, the tools, and the simple strategies that help me get started. And you've got my support all the way. Secondly, get involved in the lucky number 7 incentive. You could be our next 7,000 Rand winner before the year ends. And most importantly, number 3, make a choice today to let your money work for you, not against you. Because remember, real wealth isn't what you earn once. It's what you keep growing even when you take a breath. Thank you for spending your Freedom Friday with me. I'm Lynette Badenhorst, your wealth engineer, helping you save smarter, earn better, and protect what matters most. So my question for you this Freedom Friday is, how long will you keep trading your time for money when you could let your money start working for you? Your first 359 Rand could be the start of your financial freedom story. But only if you take that first step. And do it today, the sooner the better. Don't just watch others win the lucky number 7. It's there for everybody. Be one of them. Until next time, stay focused, stay free, and remember, freedom is built one smart decision at a time. Have a great day. Bye for now.